Join the CRL workshop, live and in person. We'll cover the most searched topics: motor testing, infrared technology, lubrication, criticality analysis, leadership, strategy, understanding failure, creating a culture of reliability, the 1% solution, defect elimination, and much more. We'll uncover every element to identify gaps that prevent reliability. Learn to speak the language of reliability. Regardless of your current role, you can become a reliability leader. This is your chance to make a real impact. Secure your spot at reliabilityweb.com.